Hello and welcome to Mastering Shopify Dropshipping. In this course, we will learn the essentials of a popular business model of dropshipping and to harness the power of Shopify, which is an even more popular e-commerce platform. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, looking to expand your e-commerce ventures, a social media influencer, or aiming to develop a skill that you can offer as a freelancer, dropshipping with Shopify can be your gateway to creating a successful online store with minimal upfront investment. Hi, this is Nouman Shakeel from Cyberways, your guide on this Shopify dropshipping journey. I have over a decade of experience teaching accounts, taxation, and management sciences. Additionally, I am a technology enthusiast, working on various platforms like WordPress, Shopify, game development with Unity 3D, and mobile app development with React Native. This course is divided into these 8 sections. So, without wasting any time, let's dive right in. Welcome to Section 1. Here, we'll build your dropshipping basics and explore the aspects of using Shopify as your e-commerce platform. Let's kickstart your journey then. So, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model where a retailer, that could be you, doesn't keep products in stock. Instead, you partner with a supplier who ships products directly to your customer, whereas the customer buys the goods from you through your sales channels. And, in this process, you earn money from the difference between the price you offer to the customer and the price you will pay to the supplier. But, what are the advantages of dropshipping? First of all, it has very low startup costs, with no need to invest in inventory. Dropshipping allows you to start your business with minimal upfront costs. Secondly, it's easy to get started. Setting up a dropshipping business is relatively simple, especially with platforms like Shopify. Also, dropshipping allows you to offer a wide variety of products to your customers without the need for physical storage space. And also, as a dropshipper, you have location independence, as you can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. So, what are the key considerations for dropshipping success? Well, the first one is finding reliable suppliers. Partnering with reputable suppliers is crucial to ensure product quality and timely shipping. Next is the niche selection. This means choosing a profitable niche helps you target a specific audience and stand out in the market. The third, and most important consideration is the marketing and customer acquisition strategies. This involves implementing effective marketing strategies to drive traffic and convert visitors into customers. And, last but not least, is customer service. Providing excellent customer service is vital for building trust and maintaining a positive reputation. But why Shopify? Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform, especially in the US, and it simplifies the process of setting up and managing online stores. And, it is easy to set up, easy to manage, and provides a variety of pre-made designs and themes. The websites built with it are usually fully optimized for mobile devices, and it promises to provide security and 24/7 customer support. But, it also comes with some downsides. Shopify can be expensive depending on your specific needs. Its costs can range from $25 per month for the basic package to $399 per month for the advanced package. However, these prices will be charged once your trial period is over. And regarding customization, Shopify themes can pose some challenges, primarily because they utilize a templating language known as Liquid, which is less widely known and can be a bit complex to work with. However, if we compare the downsides of using Shopify for dropshipping with its advantages, the ease of use takes the lead for users new to the business. So, in the next section, we will learn how to sign up for Shopify and learn the basics of store customization and design. So, are you ready to embark on your Shopify journey? In this section, I will guide you through the process of signing up for a fresh trial account on Shopify. This trial period allows you to explore the platform's features and capabilities. The first 3 days are a free trial, followed by an extended 3-month trial for just $1 per month. To sign up, open your browser and head to the Shopify homepage. The link is provided in the description below. Once there, click on the Start Free Trial button. This takes you to a form that's somewhat like a survey. You can answer based on your preferences, helping Shopify tailor their services to your business needs. However, for now, we can skip this step. Moving forward, you'll be prompted to create a Shopify ID using your preferred platform. Let's proceed with the Google option. Enter your email address. Now, set your password. As soon as you click Next, Shopify will instantly build your store and take you to the Shopify dashboard. Notice the notification about the first 3 days is a completely free trial period. There's also an offer to extend the trial for 3 more months, costing just $1 per month. Here, you'll find the setup guide to assist you in getting your store up and running. For this course, we'll be completing most of the tasks listed here, starting with adding your first product. However, before we proceed, we need to conduct some research to determine the products we'll be selling in our dropshipping store. So, let's move on to our next section on Product Hunt. We'll return to this Shopify dashboard shortly. Welcome to the pivotal stage of product research and selection in your dropshipping venture. This phase stands as one of the most critical components of your dropshipping business. And the 3 essential aspects to consider when hunting for the perfect dropshipping products are the wow factor, pricing, and sourcing. First of all, the product should have a wow factor. When referring to a product having a wow factor, it means that the product possesses a unique quality or feature that elicits a strong positive reaction from customers. It goes beyond meeting basic expectations and stands out in some remarkable way. This wow factor could be in the form of innovative design, exceptional functionality, superior quality, or any other aspect that captures the attention and generates excitement. However, it's important to keep in mind that the product should also be easy to market, ship, and distribute. This essentially means that you should not be offering any heavy industrial machinery or items that are impractical to handle through the dropshipping model. The second important factor is pricing. For the dropshipping model to work effectively, crafting an effective price point is pivotal. The ideal pricing range typically spans from $10 to $200. Contingent on factors such as your target market, niche specificity, and the sustainable profit margins you intend to achieve. However, remember to include shipping expenses in your calculations. This becomes particularly important due to the diverse geographical scope of dropshipping, since you may be operating from a location like the USA, while your customer may be located in Australia, and your supplier may be based in China. It's essential to factor in the shipment cost. The shipping cost will be calculated based on the distance between your supplier and your customer, taking into consideration the monetary value and the weight of the product. Lastly, the process of sourcing takes the spotlight. Sourcing entails forging alliances with suppliers who manage order fulfillment on your behalf. Yet, it's crucial to acknowledge that you have limited control over this aspect. Therefore, diligent supplier research becomes pivotal. A range of platforms and sources exist to aid in this journey. For instance, consider AliExpress.com. This popular platform links buyers to suppliers, predominantly based in China. Its extensive product categories offer ample choices. You can search for your desired product. Explore the various options. Check for the prices and ratings of the product. You can check the product in detail by going to the product page. We can check for the product specifications and customer reviews related to the product. But most importantly, we can check for the details of the suppliers, check for customer feedback, and check for the supplier ratings. You can find a way to contact them to make a deal and ask for their permission to add their products and product details to your store. Also, you will need to negotiate prices and shipment strategies with them. It's also important to inquire about their refund policies and the guarantees they offer. You may also like to ask about the possibility of private labeling the products in the future. In the same way, you can explore other platforms to connect to the suppliers for your dropshipping products. However, Alibaba.com offers the most advanced and effortless dropshipping solutions. They have a dedicated dropshipping workstation for this purpose. To explore, you can follow this link: dropshipping.alibaba.com. Just like any other marketplace website, they have millions of products listed in their store in multiple categories. But unlike conventional platforms, Alibaba facilitates direct dropshipping product searches. Here, you can refine searches based on your target dropshipping country. Or, you can also find the suppliers who will private label your dropshipping products. It also provides a very unique trade assurance protection and other crucial guarantees for the suppliers, along with other valuable detailed information about the supplier. But most importantly, when you sign up for free on the platform, it will allow you to connect your Shopify store directly to Alibaba's dropshipping center. And once we connect our Shopify store to the platform, we can push our customized product list directly to our Shopify store. We will cover all the procedures in the later part of this course. So, stay tuned for our step-by-step coverage of the manual product edition in Alibaba's import system. Greetings, and welcome to this segment where we will learn to add our selected products to our Shopify store. So, let's initiate by logging back into our Shopify account. There is currently one Shopify store here, named as My Store, registered with my account. Let's proceed with it. So, using my Gmail credentials that I used to register my account with Shopify, I am logged back into my account. But, as it took me more than 3 days to record the previous section of this course, you can see here that my Shopify account is currently inactive, due to the expiration of the initial 3-day trial period. And, Shopify is offering us an extended trial period for just $1 per month. Now, let's choose a plan to proceed. We're offered various plans catering to diverse requirements. For now, I'll select the basic plan. Notice the option to opt for monthly or yearly billing. I'll opt for the monthly plan and extend the trial for 3 months at only $1 per month. Confirming the billing cycle will set the stage. Provide your business details and payment information. After adding the payment method, confirming the billing cycle finalizes the subscription. Once done, we're ready to dive in. And here we are, back within the heart of our Shopify admin dashboard. With the basic plan, we receive 2 staff accounts and a monthly billing cycle of $25 after the initial 3-month extended trial. Proceeding onward, let's initiate the process of adding our very first product. To manually add a product, in the admin panel click Products. And then on the Add Your Products button. This leads us to an empty product page. In here, let's begin by crafting an engaging product title. Like, I am naming my product Silly Sip Flex Bottle. We can compose or edit a compelling product description, possibly obtained from the source website. We can also add media and images to the description as well. The same again could be obtained from your source. And can be uploaded here from your PC. The uploaded images can easily be inserted into the description area. And we can keep on adding our desired images one by one to the description. Along with other important information about your product, this could also be helpful for SEO purposes. Next, we can add media files for the main display of your product. We can add images here either from a URL or by uploading the images from our PC. Press Ctrl and click to select and insert the media files you want to display. And arrange the media library as per your preferences. You can save your progress anytime you like. And our product has been created with the first save. Now, it's time to shift our focus to the product pricing. In the pricing section, and in the price field, enter the price you intend to offer your customers. Besides the price field, we have a Compare It Price field. The Compare It Price function will strategically present a before and after price perspective for our product, and this can be viewed on our product page with a strike-through to represent a discount. Let's set this value higher than the price we are going to offer. Next, we have the option to enable or disable the tax charge option on this product. This field depends upon your operational location and the relevant tax laws. We will leave it checked for now. Moving on, we have the cost per item field. This represents the price obtained from the source or your supplier. This will not be visible to our customers, but is used for our internal purposes. Let's assign a value here. This triggered automated profit and profit margin calculations for this product. The next port of call is the inventory section. And over here, the most important item is the SKU, the stock keeping unit. SKU codes uniquely identify each product in your inventory, streamlining management and tracking. Like, for example, we can have SSFB 600 BLU for blue-colored variant of the 600 ml Silly Sip Flex bottle, or SSFB 600 PNK for pink-colored variant of our product here. But since we are on a dropshipping model, we don't need to worry about this SKU, as we are not going to keep any inventory. However, it can be beneficial to learn about the SKU codes our suppliers are using. This could be helpful for efficient and effective coordination with them. Likewise, we don't need to care about tracking the inventory. So, let's uncheck this track quantity option here. Venturing forth, we have the shipping section. So, does our product require shipping? Yes, it does, as we have a physical product here. However, we don't need to care about the shipping and weights here, as in the dropshipping model our supplier will be managing the shipments of our product to our customers. But sure, we will have to carefully consider our shipping costs and the related strategies, and we will be covering the essentials in the later part of this course. On the next, we have a very interesting thing. The variants section. So, let's explore it. Here we can add options like size, color, or any other attributes our product has. First up, we get a few predefined options here. We can select the relevant one. Or we can type in our own variant option. But since our product comes in diverse colors, let's opt for the color variant. Next, we need to populate this option with the relevant values. And, once done, we will get a table with data entry of our variants. Images can also be added to individual variants, enhancing visual appeal. Let's select the relevant green colored bottle image for this green variant. We need to upload the image from our PC, which again, is downloaded from the source website. And, done. In a similar manner, we can upload images for each variant. Other information in this section can be bypassed for now. Let's save the progress up till now. Proceeding onward. At the bottom of the product page is the section for search engine listing. This is how our product will be displayed in the search engine results. Let's edit this. Here, page title and the meta description can be edited. The meta description summarizes the content of a page and displays it to users in search results. Since the page title above is the same as our product name, keeping that unchanged, let's edit the meta description. So, as we edited the default meta description, the search engine results snippet over here gets updated. Down there is the URL handle for this product page. Its initial part will be changed once you connect your Shopify store to your own domain name. And its later part depends upon your page tile, which in this case is the same as the product name. Let's save the progress again. For organizing the product, a few more options are available here on the right side of the product page. First, up here, is the product category section. We get here some predefined product categories. This information is used for taxation purposes in the US, and also for Shopify's internal purposes in standardizing your product type. We cannot edit this, but we can search for the relevant product category of our product here to select the most accurate one. For instance, the category for our product here is the water bottle. And this is available in the list to select from. So, let's just select it. Next is the product type field. Product type is a custom label you give to your product to describe its category. For instance, our product here is a foldable silicone water bottle. So, we can type it here in this field. Next is the vendor option. It is a good practice, especially in the dropshipping business, to write down the vendor or supplier's name associated with your product. In this way, you can track the relevant supplier to forward the order you receive. You can choose not to show the vendor names to your customers through the theme customization options. Next is the collections option. This is currently set to the home page. We can make as many collections as we want to display our products in our online store accordingly. We will learn about creating collections, manually and automatically, in the later part of this course. Next is the tags option. Tags are the keywords that can be associated with your product to help your customers search and find the products in your store. And we can also use these tags to make our automated collections. So, let's put in some relevant tags for our product. You can type in comma-separated values here. And press enter to add all the tags to the tags list. The next section is for product theme selection. This depends upon the theme of your online store, and we cannot edit it at the moment. Let's save again for the final time. Now, let's preview the product to check how it will be displayed on our online store. Clicking the preview button led us to the live preview of our product. Here, we can see our compare it price feature in action. We are currently using Shopify's default Dawn theme for the product preview page. Let's hide it for now. The specifications table here in the product description area seems a little odd. Other things look good. The pictures we added are being displayed properly. The variation swatches. These are working fine too. So, let's change this description table to something that can fit in. Heading back to our Shopify admin to edit the product. In the product description area, we can also use Shopify's AI technology to generate descriptions or rephrase the statements for us. For instance, let's rephrase this specification table. So, we will select the text here, and click on this Generate Edits button, and then click on Rephrase. This has rephrased our specification table content. Now we can copy and paste this AI-generated text to the description field, or simply click on the Keep button down below. So, let's save the changes again and preview. It seems better now, to fit in the display area. But, for information like specifications etc., the table format is preferred however. But so with that, we have successfully added a product manually to our Shopify store. And in the next section of this course, we are going to learn about importing products to our store directly from Alibaba.com. Meanwhile, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay connected. Welcome back. In this section, we'll explore how to connect Alibaba with Shopify and import products seamlessly into your Shopify dropshipping store. So, let's get started. First, you need to log in to Alibaba's Dropshipping Center. The link is provided in the description. Next, we need to sign up for a new account. You will have multiple options for sign up. Let's select Google from here. After a successful sign-up, we are at Alibaba's workstation. And the site asks us to connect with our store. So, let's proceed to add our Shopify store. For this, you will have to add your Shopify store URL, which you can find in the address bar of your Shopify admin panel, or by previewing your online store by clicking this eye icon. Grab your store URL and paste it into this form that appeared in Alibaba's dashboard. And then proceed to add the store. This redirects us to Shopify's dashboard, prompting us to install Alibaba's app. With a few warnings regarding the app, which can be ignored for now. We can proceed to install it. Once the app is installed successfully, our store will be connected to Alibaba's dropshipping workstation. And with that, we have an important update here. The Add to Import List button is now available with product listings. And now, we can add our carefully selected products to our import list, where all our chosen products will be listed. We can add as many products as we like. Here, in the Import List tab, on the menu on the left side of the dashboard, a list is compiled of all our chosen products. We can see the number of products that I added to the import list. We will explore it shortly. But first, let's find out what we have in the My Products tab. Interestingly, in the My Products tab, we have the product we manually added to our Shopify store in the previous section of this course. Alibaba's dropshipping app automatically fetched that product here from our Shopify store. Now, let's explore the import list. And here is a detailed list of all the products I added to the import list. This dialog box says that we can edit the product titles, descriptions, and images by clicking this edit button, making them more marketable. Let's close this for now. The import list displays products with options to edit and improve titles and other details. And this dialog box says that we can push any product to our store anytime to immediately start selling them by clicking this Push to Store button. Let's close this too. Here is the first product on our list. And in the first column of its details, we have the supplier's name and a descriptive product title the supplier gave to that product. We will change that title to a short, catchy, or something easy to remember and relevant to the product. Also in there, we will find the images of the product and its description, which we can edit as per our liking. In the next column, we have information about the product type and collections. We are going to learn about making collections in the next section of this course. Next, we have the information about the available variations of the product. This product has 100 variations. We can go to the Edit section to remove the variants we don't want to sell, or to change the prices. Next, we have the Price section. This price here for our customers is calculated by applying some default multiplicative or additive rule above our cost for the product. We can edit this price, as per our liking, to set a desired profit margin. And, in the next column, we have the information about the shipping cost. The shipping charges to the US for this product are $7, set by the supplier, using their preferred shipping method. It is important that we factor in this shipping price and the cost of the product in the price we are offering, to earn a decent margin. Now, let's edit our product, all from one place. Here, in the Edit section, we can edit the product title to make it catchy and easy to remember. We can type in some relevant tags in the next section. And next, let's set the product type to consumer electronics or mobile accessories for this product. Next again, is the collection section. This, we will set directly in our Shopify store. Next, up here, we have the description tab. These are all the descriptions, specifications, and images of the product that the supplier added. All of this information can directly be pushed to our Shopify store. However, we can modify the portion as per our liking, keeping the information we want, and deleting the rest. So, let's make some changes to it. And our description is ready. Next, we have the Variants tab. Let's explore it. We have different columns here. We have a column for SKU. And the first variant option here is color. The second variant option is the compatible model. And we have here the columns for cost, shipping fee, and price. And also, the columns for profit, compare it price, and inventory. And, we have hundreds of variations here. Here, we can set the price of the product as a fixed value, or as a multiplier of cost. We can also deselect the variants we don't want to sell in our store. Once we are satisfied with all the edits, we can simply push the product to our Shopify store. So our product is now successfully pushed to our store with the edits we made. In a similar way, we can edit and push all the other products to our store. So, heading back to our Shopify dashboard, let's verify our product there. Here we see that our new product appears in the products list. Let's check how it appears on the product page in edit mode. You can see that all the product details have been added. All the media have been added. And all the product variants have been added. We can make further changes on this page as required. Now, let's preview the product on our online store. Perfect. The product appears with all the details. The variation swatches are being displayed. All the images and descriptions are being displayed. Even, the variation swatches are working perfectly. So with that, we have successfully explored the easiest way of selecting and adding dropshipping products to our Shopify store. And in the next section, we are going to learn about the basics of store customization and design. Welcome to the sixth section of this course. Now that we have our products lined up, it's time to make our store visually appealing and user-friendly to attract potential customers. In this section, we are going to learn about creating collections, theme customization, organizing navigation, and editing the homepage. But first, let's preview our store to see how it appears after adding the products and with the default theme. To preview your store, click on the eye icon beside the Online Store tab, appearing in the left pane of your Shopify admin. You will be redirected to your store's homepage. Here we have the products that I imported directly from Alibaba.com. Let's click on View All. And we are redirected to our catalog page, as we can see from our navigation menu. We also have our Silly Sip Flex bottle here, which we added manually in section 4 of this course. We also have another page of our catalog. We have a few more products here. All of these products were directly imported from Alibaba.com, with just a few clicks. So, that's what our store looks like at the moment. Now, let's proceed to learn about creating collections. Collections are groups of related products that make it easier for your customers to navigate your store. Remember to make collections that match your niche and product categories. To view the existing collections, click on the Products tab from Shopify Admin. Then click Collections. We currently have one default collection here, titled Homepage, with only one product in it. Let's proceed to create our own collection by clicking Create Collection. On the Create Collection page, first we need to put in the title for our collection. For example, let's type Home Appliances here. Next, you can add a description for your collection, or you can leave it blank if you like. Next, we have the collection type. You can add products to your collection manually, or automatically based on certain conditions. Let's first create a manual collection. For this, click the Manual option. And save the collection. A collection with the name Home Appliances has been created. Next, click on the Browse button. And select the products that match your collection's title. Click Add. And the selected products would be updated to our manual collection. Now, let's create another collection. Let's type in computer accessories for the title of this collection, leaving the description area blank for now. Let's select the automatic collection type option. Here, we can set the condition settings to meet all conditions or to meet any condition. For example, we can set a condition like product tag is equal to some specific tags for our products. We get multiple condition options here, like compare at price, weight, inventory stock, product vendor, product title, and product type. We can select any that suits our needs. For instance, let's go with the product tag option. Product tag is equal to, let's type computer and click Save. The category Computer Accessories is created and saved now. But we don't have any product in here yet, because we have not yet assigned the computer tag to any of our products. Similarly, you can make as many collections as you like. Just like I made 6 collections here, with titles like Studio, Sports, Mobile Accessories, Travel, Computer Accessories, and Home Appliances. We can later use the collections to display the products in several places, like the navigation menu and catalog filters on our online store. Let's get back to our Shopify admin home now and learn about theme customization. Your Shopify theme is like the storefront of your online business. It sets the tone, showcases your products, and creates the first impression on your customers. Let's customize your theme to make it unique and aligned with your brand. To customize your theme, click on the Online Store tab on the left, and you will be redirected to the Themes page. There we can see we have Dawn as our current theme. Down there, we have a few other free theme options that we can select. Or we can visit the theme store to explore more themes. In the theme store, we have a variety of different options. We can explore the themes thoroughly to select one that matches our requirements. Here we have options for premium themes as well as the free themes. To view the details of any theme, you can click on it, and you will be redirected to the details page of that relevant theme. You can check for all the capabilities and functionalities the theme provides. And if you like, you can try the theme on your store. The theme will be added to your online store themes in a few seconds. You also have an option here to upload the zip folder of any third-party theme you have. However, let's proceed to publish the theme we just added. And our newly added theme, Spotlight, is now set as our current theme. Let's now preview our store with the new theme added. The outlook of the store has now changed, corresponding to the new theme, and the homepage is now more product-oriented than before. However, let's stick to the default Dawn theme for now. One important thing to note here is that our store is password protected, which means the store is only viewable by those who have the password. And that is not what we want in most of the cases. We will remove the password once we are done customizing our store. So, let's just proceed with the theme customization. But first, to get the full functionality of the editor, ensure that you are not in the private or incognito mode of your browser. To begin customizing your store, click on the Customize button beside your current theme information. This will lead you to Shopify's website editor, with a real-time online store preview. We are currently editing in desktop responsive mode, and we can change it to mobile responsive mode anytime we need. We are currently editing the home page, and we can change the page we want to edit from this button. We are editing the view available to the default marketplace, which is currently set to United States. Here on the left side, we have options to edit the content of the website. These options are specific to the theme you select. For example, we have here an option for the announcement bar. This functionality is provided by our selected Dawn theme, but may or may not be available with other themes. Next, we have here the option to modify the header, which usually contains our logo, menu bar, and search and cart icons. Next, we have the option to edit or change the image banner, usually called the hero image. We can edit the heading text, the buttons, or select the products collection that we want to display on our homepage. And we can edit our footer from here. To the extreme left, we have a gear icon to modify the theme settings. Here, we have options to select our logo and our favicon, which is the miniature logo of the website you see in the tabs of your browser. We can change our color scheme to match our brand. Customize the typography for our desired fonts and font size. Layout setting for the width and height of the web page and its elements. We have animation settings for hover effects, button settings, and a lot of other different settings. Especially the social media settings. To attach links to your social media accounts. We also have currency format settings. Here below the settings gear icon, we have an app embeds icon. Using this option, we can embed codes from Shopify compatible apps directly on our web page to enable some specific functionalities. Now, let's edit the announcement bar. Edit the text to something discount related. Next, in the header option, let's edit the main menu. This will redirect us to the navigation options in our Shopify admin dashboard. Let's add a few product collections to the main menu. Just type in the desired name for the menu item. And select the related collection from the collections we previously created. And click Add. We can add a few more. And arrange the positions for the menu items by a simple drag and drop. Let's save the menu. And go back to the editor. Let's save the changes here as well. And our menu has been updated with some new items. Now let's edit some other elements of the homepage. If we want to change the hero image in this Dawn theme, we can go to the template section, and then to the image banner option in it. We can select the desired image from the media gallery, like I am selecting the one from the images that I have already uploaded from my PC. And the image banner gets updated. We have other options here, like this image overlay opacity. We can change the value as we like, to make the text more visible. We can arrange the content position to our liking. And we can edit the heading text. Now let's edit the button. We can change the button text and edit the button link to anything we like it to point to. Let's select something from the collections we made. Back. And next, the featured collections option. Again, we can change the heading text. And down here, we can change the collection to be displayed. And we get here all the collections we made earlier. We can select anyone to be displayed on the home page. Let's cancel it to stick with the default collection. Also, we have here a display option for the maximum number of products to show. And the number of columns to be displayed. You can play around to get your desired settings. And finally, we have here the settings for the footer. Here we have an email sign-up option for visitors. We also have options to show social media icons, country or region selection options, the language selector option, and display options for payment method icons. However, these options are subject to our relevant settings in the Settings tab. Like, when we add our social media links in the Settings tab, the relevant icons will start appearing here in the footer. Also, we have here some options for margins and paddings. We can adjust these options as per our requirements. However, now let's save the changes and move on to the Theme Settings tab. Let's add the logo first. I will select the logo image I already added from my computer. It seems too small, so let's increase its scale, all the way up to 300 pixels. Seems perfect now. Now, let's select the favicon image. Again, I will select a small icon I already uploaded from my computer. The image you add here will be scaled down automatically to 32 by 32 pixels. It will be visible with the website tab later on. Next, let's make some changes to the typography option. Let's change the font here. We can search for our desired font. And select. From the Buttons option, let's increase the border thickness to 3 pixels. And the border radius to 8 pixels. Our button looks more appealing now. There are a few more options to play with. Next, let's go to the social media option. And first, let's add the link to our Facebook profile. And now let's look at our site footer. Here you see the Facebook icon appears on the footer. Likewise, let's add our Instagram profile link. And similarly, the Insta icon appeared at the footer. The same is the case with the YouTube link. Similarly, you can add all the other social media profile links here. Also similarly, the icons for your accepted payment methods will appear at the footer when you configure your payment methods. Let's save the progress up until now. So in conclusion, theme customization with Shopify is not that hard. Without any coding, your website can be customized in just a few clicks. It is even simpler than the traditional drag and drop editing options other platforms provide. However, this simplicity also comes with some customization limitations too. Welcome to Section 7 of this course. Our online store is nearly complete, and it's time to give it that professional touch by connecting a custom domain name. In this section, we'll learn how to link your unique domain to your Shopify store. A custom domain not only boosts your brand's credibility but also makes it easier for customers to find you online. But first things first, you need to pick the right domain name. It's crucial that it's memorable, relevant to your business, and easy to spell. Also, remember to keep it concise, and avoid special characters or complex words. If you don't have a domain name yet, you can get one through Shopify or from third-party domain registrars like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. For this video, I'll be buying a domain from Namecheap.com. Here, I am logged into my Namecheap account. And I want to search for a domain name relevant to my main website, that is cyberways.online. The search returned multiple options. But what I am looking for is this, cyberways.store. This domain name is currently available at a discount and would be renewed at almost $35 per annum. So, let's add this to the cart. And then, proceed to checkout. I am buying here, a 1 year of domain registration. And domain privacy, which will be free forever. Let's turn off the auto renew. Review other options. And let's confirm the order. Review your order. And then, pay for your purchase. And your purchase will be confirmed. Once you've purchased your domain, it's time to connect it to your Shopify store. To connect your domain, go to Settings in your Shopify admin panel. And in the Domains section, click on Connect Existing Domain. Enter your purchase domain name. In this case, we have cyberways.store. And click Next. Then, click Verify Connection. At first, the connection may not be successful, and you'll receive some messages. Shopify will ask you to add 2 values to your domain's DNS settings. An A record and the C name. We need to update these DNS records with our domain provider. But keep in mind that some providers don't allow direct access to all DNS settings, so you might need to contact them to make these changes. However, for now, let's continue with Namecheap. Here in the Advanced DNS section, let's change the available C name value by copying the required value from the Shopify dashboard. And pasting it here. Save the changes. And next, for the A record, we need to add a new record here. So again, let's copy the required value from the Shopify dashboard and paste it here. Here, we also need to set the host to the @ sign. Save the changes again. Now, let's again click Verify Connection from the Shopify dashboard. And now our domain should be pointing to our Shopify store. It's essential to ensure everything works correctly after connecting your domain. Your domain is a vital part of your brand identity, and once it's connected, you'll have a professional and memorable online presence. To verify the connection, let's preview our store. Great! We can see here that the store is now using the new domain name we added. However, one thing to note here is that our store is currently password protected. This means that our visitors will have to enter the password every time they want to access our store. So, let's just disable the password. For this, let's head back to the Shopify admin. And from there, go to Online Store. And then Preferences. Scroll down to find the password option. Here it is, the password. Just disable the password protection option. And then save the changes. Now, let's go back to our store preview and refresh the page. Excellent, the store is now accessible without any password. Make sure that everything is working fine. And test your website's links and navigation to ensure a seamless user experience. In the next and final section of this course, we will be learning about adding marketplaces and payment methods to our store. And we will be concluding this course by placing a test order. So, let's proceed. Welcome to the final section of this course. Now that our dropshipping store is nearly ready, it's time to explore how to reach our target audience and provide seamless payment options for our customers. Interestingly, we can see here that Shopify has already started picking up some analytics, since we removed the password from our store in the previous section of this course. However, to configure markets on this store, let's go to Settings. And then, Markets. We see here that Shopify has configured the United States as our primary market. This default primary market usually depends on your initial registration with Shopify. To add more countries to your markets, click Add Market. Next, name your market. And next, search and select your desired countries. Click Done. And verify if you added all your target countries. And save. A new market has been added, and its status has been set as active. We can independently set the language, product pricing, taxes, and payment options for each market we configure. Let's click on the back button to view what our Markets tab is showing now. Great! Now we have an international market besides our primary United States market. It is very important before launching any online store that you define your target markets and determine which regions and countries you want to serve. This allows you to customize your store for specific audiences, offering local currency, language, and relevant products. Let's now talk about payment gateway options that Shopify provides. Your choice of payment gateways largely depends upon your country of operation. Shopify provides a comprehensive list of available payment gateways for each country. To explore, you can visit this link. For instance, if you are operating your store from the United States, you can explore the payment gateway option available in North America and the US. And you will get the list of all the payment gateway options available for the United States. Likewise, let's go to Asia and explore the options available for India. Shopify offers all major payment gateways in India. And now, let's explore the options available for Pakistan. Pakistan has some limited payment options available. However, this two-checkout platform is usually used here. To test our store's working, let's go back to Shopify Admin and go to the Payments tab from the Settings option. And click on Choose a Provider. We are going to use this bogus payment gateway for testing. And here we see instructions about how to use it. We can use the following code instead of the credit card numbers when checking out. 1. To simulate an approved transaction. 2. To simulate a declined transaction. And 3. To simulate a gateway failure. Let's activate it. The bogus payment gateway has been activated, and now we can test it on our live store. But before testing this, let's complete a few more tasks. First, we see here a notification showing 3 out of 4 tasks completed. Let's find out what is left here. Here it's asking us to name our store, as our temporary store name is currently My Store. So, let's give a new name to our store. For this, click on Name Store. This led us to the Settings tab. And here in the store name cell, let's put in our store name. Save. And refresh the page. Now we can see that our store name has been updated. The next important thing we need to update is the shipping and delivery options. Since we are not shipping the products ourselves, in fact, our supplier will have the responsibility to ship the products to our customers. So, we need to rely on their shipping methods and prices. And also, we need to include the shipping cost in our price calculation, as we learned in the previous section. So here, we need to set shipping to free for our customers. To set shipping charges as free, click on the Shipping and Delivery tab from Settings. Next, click on General Shipping Rates. Scroll down to find the shipping zones. Here we see that the shipping rates are already set to free for our domestic market. For the international market, that we added recently, here we see, standard shipping charges are automatically set to some value. Let's add a new rate, by clicking on Add Rate. Next, add the rate name. And make sure that the price is set to 0. And, click Done. New free shipping has been added. We can now delete the standard shipping rate for this shipping zone. Now, save the changes. And close the settings. There is also another option available to set shipping charges as free. For this, we can go to the Discounts tab. Next, click on Create Discount. And next, select Free Shipping. In the Create Shipping Discount tab, we can set certain parameters for our discount offer. But, to create a free shipping discount here, we need to set a discount code. For this, we can click on Generate, to generate a random discount code. Or just type in the discount code we like. And leaving other things unchanged. Click on Save Discount. So, the free shipping discount has been added to the store. But for this to work, our customers will be required to enter the discount code at the checkout, to avail themselves of the free shipping discount. And since we have already set the shipping price to free from the Shipping and Delivery tab, we can just delete the discount we just created. The free shipping discount we just created has been deleted. Likewise, you can add and manage any discount offers to customers from this Discounts tab. Let's now just place a test order to verify if everything is working properly. For this, in a new window, let's access our store by typing in our URL. cyberways.store. With a pop-up, the store is offering to opt for a customized experience to display prices in my local currency. Let's close this for now. There must be another important update at the footer. Yes. We have here the icons for the payment methods that this store accepts. This appears in the footer automatically after a payment gateway is added, and since we added a bogus payment gateway, we see here a bunch of bogus payment options. Now let's find a product to place a test order. Let's click View All, to explore all the products we have. And let's place an order for this Play-qube game console. On the product page, let's select our desired variant. And click Add to Cart. And the product has been added to the cart. Now, let's look at our cart. There we have one Play-qube game console in it. The total and subtotal change with the change in quantity. Let's set it to 1. And proceed to check out. Next, we need to fill in our shipping information. So, let's fill in the contact form. And click on Continue Shipping. Next, review the shipping information and click on Continue to Payment. In the payment method, we have the bogus payment gateway for test purposes. To simulate a successful payment and purchase, we will type 1 in the card number field. Type our name in the name field. Put any future date in the expiration date field. Let's say 11/24. And we will type 111 in the security code field. And click Pay Now. So, the order is confirmed. Now, let's get back to the Shopify admin and go to the Orders tab. I have already placed multiple test orders here. And this number 1003 is the most recent order I placed. Let's click on it. Since this product was directly linked to Alibaba.com, we now just need to request our dropshipping supplier from here for order processing. And next, click on Send Fulfillment Request. So now, order fulfillment is in progress. And now let's check how it appears in our Alibaba dropshipping workstation. Here we see that the My Orders tab has been automatically updated. So let's click on it. Here on top, we have our latest order. Let's close this batch order dialog box. While this dialog box has some important information, it says, by clicking this, you will start an order on Alibaba.com and pay for it. After that, the supplier will fulfill the order. The shipping status will be synced to your store. This means that dropshipping with Alibaba is fully automated. On the other hand, when you receive an order sourced from another supplier, like this product that we manually added from AliExpress.com, you will need to contact the supplier for order processing, and you'll need to request them to ship it to your customer's address. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and my teaching methodology, and I hope this course opens new earning avenues for you. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, as in the forthcoming videos, we will delve into the creation of a dropshipping store by harnessing the capabilities of WordPress, WooCommerce, and Elementor. Should you require assistance with your dropshipping or any other online ventures, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can find the contact link provided in the video description. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your journey.